Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to change the FPS on your Xbox Series S. So you want to head over to settings, then you want to go to general, TV and display options, and what you can do is you can go to TV mode here, and you can see allow 50Hz, allow 24Hz. So if you only want to play at minimum 60Hz, you just turn those two off right here. And you're also going to see here, allow variable refresh rate. This will, if you have 120Hz monitor, allow you to go from 120Hz and then all the way down to 60Hz. So I recommend you turn that on if you do have that 120Hz monitor. Another thing you want to do as well is you want to go to 4K TV details and you want to check whether or not you support 120Hz. So if your monitor actually supports 120Hz, by default it will use the full 120 FPS option which is available, and so you just don't need to mess around with that. But you can see my TV setup doesn't support 120Hz, therefore I can't use it, right? So you can see it supports 4K at 60 but not 120. So if your TV does support 120Hz, it will be on by default. And yeah, so really that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.